learning Chinese language, learning a word every day. Today we are learning about 离谱. First, let's watch an animation about the word 离谱.
他说一天能学会中文，这也太离谱了。
离谱难道是离开的意思吗？
不是这个意思哦，离谱是形容事情不合常理，夸张的让人难以相信。
原来是这样，我理解错了。
A few minutes later,
这家店的价格涨了10倍，实在太离谱了。
你又说到离谱了，这次是指离开的意思吧？
当然不是，这里是说价格高的不合情理。
我明白了，离谱可以用来吐槽奇怪、过分的事情。
没错，它刚好和我们之前学的靠谱意思相反。
我懂了，靠谱是让人放心，离谱就是不合常理。
完全正确。
In the animation just now, one person misunderstood the word 离谱 at first. She thought it meant walking away. Today we will learn the real meanings and common usages of 离谱 in daily Chinese. Before learning the usage, let's read it 3 times together. 离谱, 离谱, 离谱. The Chinese word 离谱 is a popular daily word. It means unreasonable, absurd, outrageous, or over the top. It is the opposite of 靠谱. Now let's learn different scenarios. First, the scenario. 太离谱了. Let's read it 3 times together. 太离谱了, 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 太离谱了 means that's ridiculous, outrageous. It is the most commonly used phrase to express surprise or complaint. The second scenario. 想法很离谱. Let's read it 3 times together. 想法很离谱, 想法很离谱, 想法很离谱. 想法很离谱 means the idea is unrealistic or absurd. We use it to describe strange or impractical thoughts. Scenario 3. 价格离谱. Read with me 3 times. 价格离谱, 价格离谱, 价格离谱. The meaning of 价格离谱 is the price is unreasonably high. People often say this when they think something is too expensive. Scenario 4. 行为离谱. Let's read it 3 times together. 行为离谱, 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 行为离谱 means someone's behavior is weird or improper. We use it to talk about strange actions. Scenario 5. 一点都不离谱. Read it 3 times with me. 一点都不离谱. 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 The meaning of 一点都不离谱 is it is totally reasonable. This is the negative form of 离谱. To sum up, 离谱 is widely used in daily conversations. You can use it to describe ideas, prices, behaviors, and all kinds of unreasonable things. Remember, it is opposite to 靠谱. Okay, that's all about the usage of the Chinese word 离谱. Here's a suggestion for you. When learning Chinese, you can try to give yourself an authentic Chinese name. In this way, when interacting with Chinese people in the future, they will be more likely to remember you and leave a better impression on them. If you want to choose a Chinese name, you can watch my other videos or visit directly www.chinesename.me. Choose a genuine and meaningful Chinese name for yourself. All right, that's all for today's study. Goodbye.